Okay, how's it going? This is the fourth installation, and because it's actually the second bike that I'm on now. I've done the first one, and the important part was to get the suspension right and the fork in the right alignment. Don't want to mess that up. Tires pump, less work than I thought. And then also the brakes to make him in like where he's from, since he's a boy and he needs access to the bells and so on. Yeah, so the second one's a bit taller. I didn't see that when I bought them. I should have bought them at the same size. But in hindsight, they one of the boys is a bit taller. Thomas is taller by a bit. Hopefully that'll even out. But that's just the way it is. So Felix gets the smaller one, and I'm talking about 6 centimeters. Like not much of a difference. Also, I put this tape here only to keep that post from sliding, because I know that they'll constantly fiddle with that. So I used to. And good looking bikes for $100, 200 both. Can't go wrong. Okay, well that was quick. I expected it to be a long process, but it's actually just snapping on the headset, tightening the front wheel. They've got those forks with the little things that go in so you can keep it. And then it's a nightmare sometimes when you're doing it, but that's okay. And yep, just the head seat post, pedals, and that's it. I'll call the boys in.